Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be doing a short video on how you can change your machine parameters in Easel. Essentially, this is how you can change the size of your wasteboard in Easel, and I'm just going to kind of walk through how you can do that. As we can see now, my wasteboard is 8 inches by 12 inches. And I'm going to go in and change that in Easel. And to do that, I'll click on Machine at the top of the page and Edit Your Machine. Then what will happen is I'll get a window. We can see the name of my machine. I'm able to go in here and change this if I want to. And I will change it to Francis, Your Home. I can add a serial number if I have a machine that comes with a serial number. Not all do, so if you don't have one, you don't need to add it. It's not a requirement. And then we'll see here that it says work area. And this is where I can change the size of my wasteboard as it's set in Easel. Right now it's 11.811 by just a little over 7 inches. I'm just going to go ahead and change that to, we'll do 15 inches by 12 inches. And you wouldn't want to change this if your wasteboard is a specific size already. This is just if on the off chance you might need to edit it at some point. This is also like if you've got a machine and you get a Z probe after the fact, you can check this box to configure your Z probe. You don't have to go through and set up a whole new machine. But once you've changed the parameters that you're looking at, you can click on Save. And now you can see that this dotted line here kind of extends past my material settings, and that's the size of the new wasteboard that I've set. And that's how you can change that setting in Easel. This means that if you get a larger wasteboard, get a new component, you can go into the, again, it's just Machine and Edit Your Machine. You can go into that space, change those settings without having to go through and set up a whole brand new machine. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.